Hey guys, welcome back to another video, 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 video. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how I got this twist out slash braid out and this great definition. And this is my hair before I actually pick it out. So this is the volume just itself. So without further ado, let's get into the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So before I start, I just want to let you guys know I have a cold, so if my voice sounds a little congesty while you're listening to this, I apologize. But I'm going to start off with freshly washed hair and work in sections as per usual. I'm going in with the African Pride Moisture Miracle Leave-In Cream. This is very, very moisturizing and leaves my hair feeling super soft at the end. And I'm detangling as I go. Then I'm following up with my DIY oil and the curling cream from this line as well, which is also super moisturizing. This line is super affordable. Definitely give it a try if you haven't already. I use the praying hand method to smoothen the product and to help reduce frizz later on in the takedown process. I do small to medium parts when I'm twisting or braiding my hair. I feel like this gives me the best definition. And I'm gonna go in with a detangling brush because I want my hair to be super detangled. I'm doing a traditional braid at the root of my hair. This helps reduce the puffiness. And halfway down the length of my hair, I'm gonna do a twist out. I feel as if I get better definition when I do half braid, half twist. At the end of the twist, I coiled the hair around my fingers a few times, and this gives my ends very, very good definition. And then I'm going to just go ahead and repeat the same steps throughout my hair. So I'm going to detangle, smoothen out all the products one more time, and then start the braid followed by twist and coil. So moving on to the next section and following the exact same steps, I'm going in with my African Pride products. This product is very moisturizing. It leaves my hair soft and very shiny, and I don't have to worry about my hair having those little white flakes that some products give you. The product literally melts into my hair, and I absolutely love that. And I'm going in with my DIY oil. This is the oil that I've been using since I went natural. Let me know if you guys want a video on it, because I can definitely do that when I run out of this bottle. And I'm going to follow up with the praying hand method and make sure all of my hair is coated and start the twist and braid process. So in this clip you can see the size that I'm doing. So since I have medium length hair, I stick to small to medium twists and braids. If you have shorter hair, you might want to do small braids, and if you have longer hair, you can get away with medium to large braids. So this all adds up to the length of your hair and what kind of definition you want when you're going to take down your hair. Nothing feels better than finishing half of your hair, but then you realize you have another half to go. Look how juicy and moisturized these twists look, you guys. I'm going in with the Shea Moisture oil. This just happens to be the closest one next to me during the takedown process. I'm not super picky about what oil I use. I coat all of my twists in oil. This way it helps reduce this frizz when I'm separating my curls into smaller curls. You want to be as careful as possible when you're taking down your hairs to reduce frizz. I know in the video it looks as if I'm going pretty fast, but that's just because I sped up the clip. But in reality, I am taking my time because I want to reduce as much frizz as possible because my hair naturally frizzes up anyways. So I'm going in, taking my time, and I'm separating my hair however it wants to be separated. I'm not forcing it. So you'll see that I have some big curls, small curls, and medium curls. That's just the way my hair naturally separated, and I just left it as is. Whenever you guys see that I'm not looking at the camera, it's usually because I'm watching Netflix. And right now, I think I was watching The Office for like the 100th time. This has been one of my favorite shows lately, but you gotta make sure you're comfortable when you're taking your hair down because it does take like at least 10 minutes. And if you're not doing something relaxing, I feel like you just, want to get it over with. And that's how, you start rushing and mess up your curls. So with the power of editing, this looks much easier than it actually is. This took a while, you guys, but this is what my hair is looking like at the end, and I didn't even pick up my hair, you guys. So let me know what you guys think and enjoy this definition.